So hello sir, for today's video I will make a video presentation for my prelim laboratory exam. So the first step is check system information, and the second step is analyze disk usage. So for the first step is run the following command to display basic system information. So gagamit tayo ng command dito, which is the unim a lcpu free-h4 the first step. So let's proceed to our Ubuntu Linux and then open the terminal and let's start. So dito para ma-check natin yung system information natin, i-command natin ang unim-a. So type unim-a. So yan. And then for the to view our detailed CPU information, type lscpu. So yan. And then for para ma-view natin yung memory ng information, type free-h. Yan. And then let's proceed to our step 2 for analyze disk usage. So the first is check the disk usage of the file system. So ma-check natin yung usage or disk usage ng ating file system. So type df-a. Type df-h. So yan, nakikita natin yung na-use na yung free and the size. So let's proceed for analyze disk space usage for each directory in the current path. So type du hmax.1. So, type du hmax depth diba? So yan. And then yun ang lumabas. And then the last is list the top 5 largest files in the var directory. So ito yung gagawin nating command para ma-view natin yung ma-view natin yung 5 largest files in the var directory natin. So type sudo find var type fxc do sort etc. So yan, gawin na natin sudo find var type fxc do sort rh N5. So let's enter, then hingin tayo ng password ng ating account, and then yan po yung lumabas. So makikita pa natin dito yung 5 largest files in the var directory. So bali ito po yun, ito oh my god, ito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yun lang sir for this video for my prelim laboratory exam. So bye sir, thank you po.